Okay, in this video I am going to talk about the presentation of pair of linear equation by graphical method, and we see how it could be done and what kind of shape could you see on the graph. Okay, so first I'm going to there are the total three cases. First I will present over here the picture which three cases I am going to discuss and what are those three cases. Okay, so this is also for the solving of pair of linear equation, and when you solve the pair of linear equation, this is the standard form b1y equals to c1, and another equation is a2x plus b2y is equals to c2. Okay, now this is not clear, I'll make it little clear. I hope so. Okay, now it's a clear picture. Okay, so these are the two equation, and when you plot the graph for these two equation, if you go for the solution by graphical method and you plot the graph, three types of graph exist when you plot the graph for these equation. Either suppose this is L1 equation and this is L2 equation. When you plot the graph for these two equation, either the equation will be intersecting. This is the graph for L1 line, this is the graph for L2 line. When you plotted the graph, both the lines are intersecting and you are getting one common solution which will be satisfying your both the equation, and this is called unique solution, and and in this case the solution is consistent. What this is the case of when you get the unique solution. When these kind of pattern of graph if you see, it means the linear equations are going to have unique solution and the solution will be consistent. Okay, now second type of graph, if you plot the graph of these lines, maybe you will get this pattern. This is the graph for L1 line, this is the graph for L2 line. So these are the parallel lines. When the lines are not intersecting, then there is no common solution which could satisfy this equation as well as the equation 2. If the lines of the graph when you have plotted and it is coming parallel line, this is called case no solution. In this case you will not get the value of x and y which could satisfy the equation 1 as well as equation 2. So this is the case of no solution, and this is inconsistent. What kind of solution will be inconsistent? Now third pattern which we could see when you plot the graph, this you can see only the one single line. Okay, this is also for L1 and also for L2. When you plot the graph for both the equation, you can see only the one single line on the graph. It means one line is overlapping the other one completely. So here every point which lies on this line is going to be the solution for both the equations. So this equation, this is called this contain infinitely many solution, and infinitely many solution, and this is also consistent. Okay, so when you are getting this graph unique solution, in that case the lines will be intersecting at one point, and the value which you got it common, x and y, both that value will be satisfying your both the equation, and that is called unique solution case, and the solution will be called consistent. Okay, if you are getting the single line, it means the one line is covering the other line completely. In that case the every point which lies on the line is going to be the solution for both the equation. It means it is going to be satisfy both the equations. So it means infinitely many solution and the solution is existing, and that case it is also called consistent. Now the third case, when you draw the line for both the lines and it is comes parallel line. Okay, in this case no solution means you are not going to get any value of x and y which is going to be satisfy your both the equations. Okay, so if it is not a single value you are going to get for x and y, then this case is called inconsistent. Now This is called graphically method, and we see how we can plot the graph, and we also see the analytically means the way, like we used to apply substitution method, elimination method. By that method, how we can apply those methods, and we can find out for, and we can find out which particular exists for which particular case. These are the three cases exist, and when you find out, when you apply the substitution or elimination method, when you plot the graph for those particular lines is going to be this and this. Any one of the graph would be existing. So for which kind of graph you are going to be there, and what kind of solution will be there without plotting the graph. I am saying when you are solving by the method of applying the method, analytical method like substitution, elimination method, any other method, and without plotting the graph, you can say which kind of solution is going to be. So that also we will see, and the graphically also we are going to see in the next video. Thank you.